Hello everyone.
Good morning, guys.
On our last video, we did a countdown of the things we thought Italians did better than Americans. And it was really all based on what we encountered while we were in Italy and what we thought about those experiences, not an all-inclusive list between Italy and America.
So today's video of things that we think Americans do better than Italians is solely based on our personal experiences and honestly, the things that we missed most about home while we were traveling. So, let's go. We are Crystal and Terry, and in the spring of 2021, we decided to spend 1 year of our lives as full-time travelers. Since then, we've had some really great adventures, and yet, there's still more to come. So subscribe to our channel and come along as we leave the life we've always known to live the life of our dreams.
You might remember from some of our vlogs where we showed you a washing machine because I specifically picked Airbnbs that had washing machines since we were traveling long term. However, what you never saw was a dryer. And that is the thing on our list that I particularly really missed about the United States. Now, I know that many Italians do have dryers in their homes, but in our experience as travelers, we never had a dryer once. I had to line dry everything, which then makes your clothes pretty crispy so it doesn't get that nice, fluffy, warm, just out of the dryer feeling. And you may not even think about it, which I didn't, but the dryer takes all the lint off your clothes. So when you don't have a dryer to suck the lint off, guess where it stays? All over your clothes. So that was a real pain. But now we're home, have this big, beautiful dryer, nice big basin. So we are loving this. This is definitely a spoiled brat American luxury, and we missed it like crazy. There you go.
This next one may sound a little strange, but we actually missed getting free water in restaurants. Now this is a bit odd because Italy has these wonderful little historical fountains that pour out clean drinking water throughout the whole country. They encourage people during the warmer months to take their water bottles and fill them up at these fountains. But in their restaurants, they will ask you if you want still or sparkling water. And then they'll bring you a 1-liter bottle of whatever you chose. But they'll charge you anywhere from 3 to 5 euros per bottle. Here in the good old US of A, we get big, tall glasses of ice water to quench our thirst. And don't worry if you run out, because they will gladly bring you as many refills as you can handle. And again, here in the restaurants of America, water is always free.
This one may surprise you, considering we truly enjoyed our Florentine steak experience. In fact, we had it twice. However, neither one quite hit the spot. And I know what you're thinking, but Crystal, beef in the US is full of hormones and GMOs. Well, this isn't about that at all. This is about the overall flavor. The deep char grill marks and that extra juicy cut of beef. A medium rare ribeye hits the spot for me every time.
All right, folks, get ready. This is one of the biggies. Coffee. Now again, based on our experiences from our time in Italy and what we missed most about America, this is what we're saying, that the coffee culture and the coffee in general, better in America than it is in Italy. I know, but let me tell you, I drink coffee every day. I'm not a fancy foo-foo coffee drinker. I don't get the frappa latte, loy, soy, half. I don't do any of that. I just brew up a pot of coffee, and I do use liquid flavored creamers. I love those. Can't find them anywhere in Italy. I checked stores from Rome all the way to Venice. Never found anything close to a liquid creamer or a flavored creamer in Italy. They like coffee for fuel. The espresso, hard, bitter, strong coffee. Boom, take it, go. We have a coffee culture where all of our coffee shops have big, comfortable chairs, workspaces. But again, this is our opinion based on our travels and what we experienced. We really feel that the coffee, the flavor, the enjoyment, the relaxation of it all is just far better than what we experienced in Italy.
Although Terry likes his coffee with his French vanilla creamer, I actually prefer to drink my coffee black. So I didn't think that the transition would be as difficult for me as it was for him, but it was, because their coffee is mostly just espresso. So they call it a bunch of different things, but it's mostly just espresso. So one of the really funny things that we noticed is people told us, well, try drinking cafe Americano, right? Because we're American. And they would just bring us a shot of espresso and then a little small pot of water where we had to water down our own coffee. Like, they were not going to disgrace their delicious espresso, but they would let us water it down if we wanted to. But we're back home and the coffees are huge and we love it. Okay, friends. So this last one, please don't kill us. But in our opinion, the number one thing on our list that we think Americans do better than Italians is pizza.
What?
Dun dun dun.
Are you going to tell these people that after 3 months in Italy, we're going to come home and say that pizza in America is better than pizza in Italy?
Absolutely.
Oh, okay. I just want to make sure.
We tried pizza in lots of different towns,
Oh, yeah.
cities, different restaurants.
We did.
We did not go to Naples, which I know Naples is like
No.
Napoleon style pizza. So mark that off your list.
Yeah.
But everywhere else, the pizza, in our opinion, was always undercooked. It
Yes.
seemed like the crust was soggy.
True.
The ingredients were kind of runny sometimes.
True. I thought it was a bit plain.
Plain.
Like, it seems to me, and thank you so much, Italy, for inventing pizza. We love you for that. I'm just saying that here in America, we may have improved upon it. I think it felt like it was always given as a side item. Here's a little tomato sauce on a piece of bread. Here's pizza.
We're not saying the ingredients
Yeah.
are better
No, we're not saying the ingredients
or
are better.
worse.
No way.
We're just saying the overall cook style.
The cook and the style, the crusts.
Yeah.
You know. But the taste. The taste.
Texture, the taste.
I mean, from New
Yeah.
York style thin crust to Domino's pizza,
Which is
what we
what we've
pulled
got
out tonight.
tonight.
Just to show you. I mean, look at this. Look at that.
Nothing's
Just-
running, nothing's falling off.
No.
The crust is thick, it's
Cheesiness,
crispy.
pepperoniness. It's yeah, it's something we were actually looking forward to, was getting back to America and getting some American style
Pizza.
hand tossed pizza. Sorry, but I mean, that's just two people's opinion. What can we do? We gotta tell you the truth.
That's right.
And to us, that's the truth. So there you go, guys. Another list from a couple of recent Italianites, or at least for a few months, giving a comparison of what we think we might do a little bit better here in America than they do over in Italy.
Well, there you go. We'll see you on the next one.
That's right. So this next video is, I don't know what I was going to say. That's right. So on this video,
Okay. Well, and I always start with okay.
You right? You, jeez, okay.